Here. So we've got Bebe Agua made in Belize, that's a flour. The kosher salt, or any salt, and baking powder, vegetable oil, and most importantly, we use this manteca vegetable. Everybody in Belize uses the Family Time product here, which is local as well. Here, this is a bowl of Bebe Agua, we call them in Belize. That's 3 cups, and we have in there the baking powder as well. That's 1 teaspoon. Now we use this creamer. It's mantequilla, which means it's a vegetable margarine, and that's how many tablespoons or teaspoon? 2 teaspoons. Yes. Then we add a pinch of salt and as well as water. And traditional in Belize that they use the hand to knead this flour. Here we go. This is a Belizean way of kneading the flour to get it prepared for the fry jacks. Okay, here's how it looks like now after the kneading. This is how it looks like when you knead it by hand. You can also use this because it can allow you to do the kneading, the dough. See right there. Okay, next you make a ball out of your dough right there. Looks easy, but not for me. Then you make these balls out of your dough. Now, this is ready for frying. And once that's done, you can keep it this way. Look at that. Or you can have cinnamon with sugar on it, coated, and this is how you prepare it. All right, well, that's how we divide it into 2 and have a slit on it, and then put it on the frying pan. What are you doing? And have some eggs in the morning with it.